Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to print frozen paints on every page in Excel. So let's get started. First thing first, open your project in Excel. You can right click the file in File Explorer or in Finder. If you already have Excel open, go to the file open and select the file you want to open. Then click on the page layout tab. It's next to the file and insert. Then simply click on the print titles. You will see this in the page setup grouping with an icon of an Excel sheet and a printer. If that's grayed out, you might be actively editing a cell or you might not have a printer connected to your computer. After that, enter the rows that you want to print on each page next to the rows to repeat at top. Make sure you are in the Sheets tab if you don't see rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. After that, enter the columns that you want to print on each page next to columns to repeat at the left. Then click on OK. When you are ready to continue, you can print the document. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.